Alright guys, have you got a long leggy tomato that you really want to save? You know, perhaps you only planted a few and they've all gone a bit, whoo, planted them too early, did we? Grab yourself 2 litre pop bottle. Be careful not to stab yourselves, guys. Okay, a little bit of compost on the bottom, not too much, because we want to maximise the height of it. Tomato out of the pot, and just top it up. And being a clear bottle, might be able to see the roots. Yeah, a little drop of water in there, and well, I'll bring you back when it grows. Well, here we are, guys. The long leggy tomato that I put into this pot bottle 10 days ago. And look at that, the roots are growing from up here. So I think it's time to get it out and see what we got. Where are? Right, let's have that then. Oh, nice and warm from the greenhouse. And there we are, look. There's all the roots there. I'll zoom in on this, don't worry. Roots everywhere at the top. So I'm going to be quite brutal. Am I? Yeah, let's cut the bottom off. Can't see it, it's all dirty, but that's the old stem there, just there. So we can go a little bit deeper again now that we've cut the roots off. And we'll have a not long leggy tomato. This is the Heinz Heinz 1350, get it right. Here we are. So what was a long leggy tomato is now an averagely compact tomato. Give that a good drink, put the label back on. Oh, put the proper label back on. There we are. And I'll show you again in a couple of weeks' time, if I remember.